chicken soup. Got onions, carrots, mushrooms, Savoy cabbage, 1 stick of celery. I'm sure everyone knows how to cut them by now, but the quickest way to dice onion is to do it across like that. Sort of bring it in like that, and then just get rid of that bit. Down in squares. Don't cut like me earlier, you're meant to do it with your knuckles like that and down like that, but I just can't do it. So I've still got on my fingers though, so everything is okay. So slow down a bit towards the end there. Comes out of the way. Carrots. I edit this bit out because it's a peeling carrot, you know how to peel a carrot. Right, so top and tail loose. Need something to put them in. I like my carrots cut at an angle, just prefer it. Don't really like the whole just discs of carrot. It's not very appealing. Mushrooms. You want to cut these quite reasonably thick, they'll shrink right down. Start getting the heat into my pan right now. Cabbage and just strips and do, I think. Don't worry about it too much. I want to get rid of these big stemmy bits. I very nearly forgotten the celery because it was hidden down there. Top and tail, but not much there. And pull the strings out. Again, don't cut like this. If you do, be very careful. All of them done. Just enough to coat the bottom. So the chicken I'm using is boneless, skinless thighs. That's a bit more health conscious to use breast. It's fine. Won't be as nice, that's all. Want these in, decent sized chunks. They will soften up a bit, so it's not like they're going to be difficult to eat even if they're a bit bigger than bite-sided, you know. Right, then brown the chicken up. That's one to thought about the preparation process, but I think it was a mistake, so I wasn't happy. Could be a bit hotter really. The amount, this is about 650 grams of chicken. Mushrooms was, I think there's like 5 of them. One on you, 2 for it. We've got that down for a minute or two. No, 2 or 3 minutes maybe. That's just got a couple of minutes, we've got to pour on the chicken now, so get this stage. I'm going to use the onions. And get it all over the t-shirt. Just a bit more of it. A little mushrooms. Just the salt at this stage, that's going to draw the moisture out the mushrooms and get rid of that. Not too much, you can always put more in later. And on the side of caution. For that masala in. Why I can sit in there, I don't know, but you know. Let's see what's happening. Make a difference in there. Oh, I guess I should say I started off on high heat and turned it down to medium once I put the onions in. And water starting to come out the mushroom now. It's starting to boil, so I'll turn it back up and get rid of that. Let's put some herbs in at this point. I typically go with fresh thyme for this sort of thing, but I've not got any. So tarragon's going to go very well with chicken, so I'm going to try a bit of dry tarragon. Smells like, sort of reminds me much being a teenager, like drinking ouzo when absent and that sort of thing. I'm quite light with that. So it's that one's everything on it. It's an experiment. Yeah, just some fresh thyme. A couple of bay leaves would be nice, but I can't really go and get any. It's dark outside. Some pepper going as well. Decent amount of pepper. It's going to be quite a large batch of soup, so. At this stage, I'm just waiting for all this moisture to evaporate, and then I will add some white wine. Not essentially. Right, well, the moisture from these mushrooms doesn't seem to be going anywhere, so I'm just going to speed things on, just the wine anyway. It'll be fine. A little bit of wine, there we go. And along with that, it's a Worcestershire sauce. I'm going to use Henderson's relish instead. It's basically the same thing, except it hasn't got anchovies in. I don't know if many people know that about Worcestershire sauce. It's got anchovies in it. Just a couple drops, it's fine. You can sort of tell when the wine's finished evaporating the alcohol off because the fumes stop smelling like paint stripper and start smelling like wine instead. Right. Carrots and cabbage in. Peppers boiling. Right, so at this point I want chicken stock in there. Made your own chicken stock, that's great. You can also buy prepared stock from the supermarket. Or just use the stock you'd like. So that's a litre of boiling water. Over 1.5 litres. One half litre of boiling water. 1 stock cube per half litre. So 3 in this one. That's stir in a bit. Scrape the bottom because it looks like something's trying to stick, not quite. I'm quite slow because I'm concentrating this bloody thing. Right, so thickening agent. Oh well, don't need much. What's this? Like 1 handful, 2, 3, probably plenty. It'll quadruple in size as it goes along. So bring this back up to the boil, lower it down to a simmer, cook for an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. I think this time I'm going to put in some frozen sweet corn at the end. Just I've not done that before. I just feel like it might work. You know, chicken, sweet corn, mushroom. Seems to make sense. I love what it looks like if it's gone quite, you know, thick and stodgy with the barley. I'll just leave that out. But it's got quite a bit of give. Let's put some sweet corn there. Should be alright. Right, so I had an hour and a half simmering, and I decided to put some frozen sweet corn in at the end. Just brought it back to the boil, gave it 2 more minutes after that, and there you go. That is chicken soup. Don't like that much, but it tastes alright. And there you go.